universals are stripped. Here's the universals stripped completely. So it's not attached to the steering rack itself. And we can it in. So we got the unit itself. Good morning everybody. Today we're doing a Hyundai i30. The problem we got on this one, we got a knock on the column. So we're gonna strip this one. I started already. There you can see the column. We're gonna start stripping all the stuff. So battery is disconnected and we're gonna start stripping the steering wheel. All the stuff needs to come out. To strip the steering wheel, we got the small we got a small button to press inside it. Here you can see it. So you need to take a screwdriver, go inside the hole. There's a small push button. And you press it like that, then it pops out. Same under, you get one on the bottom side and one on both sides. And easy as that. Here you can see it. It's got a small push button over here. I'm gonna press it for you. I'm gonna press this one. You can see, and it goes down. Then you press that button, small little hole, that side, and both left and right. When you press it, small push button. You do it like this. And it's out. Now we're gonna take the steering wheel out. And the steering wheel is out. Okay, now behind the steering wheel, we've got two small screws. Screw on this side, screw on this side. If the steering wheel is on, you can get to the screws itself to strip the bottom panel. So we've got two screws and one underneath screw to take out. And here's our clock spring, but we're not going to do clock spring is still fine. We're going to do the play on the column itself, and we're going to fit this spot over here to get the play out. So now we can strip the bottom panel and the top one and get the column out. Okay, we got the back wiring strip on the indicators, on the ignition itself. Here's all the wires. Here you can see. Now we only got that box. We need to strip it. Here's the wires. Also stripped. This plug-in goes inside the box also. And the column is almost out. We got two side screws over here, one over here, and one over here. So we only got this 1, 2, 3 pluggies left. Need to loosen it over there and loosen it by the universal, and the column comes out. Okay, it's out. Take out one bolt, this bolt goes way behind through like this. That you need to get out, but this frame is welded, so you can't strip it to get the bolt properly out. So you need to maneuver your fingers inside to get the bolt out. You can see I stripped the fuse box also to get my hand behind, but no space because this bracket is welded to get the bolt yet way at the back out. But the unit is out. Here's the unit, so you can see there the bolt goes. It goes through that one, through this one, and now we can put this one. Okay, the unit is out completely. There you can see it. Very nice. Okay, now we're gonna start stripping the unit. This unit is still fine. No play, no nothing. The front unit is also still fine. So we're gonna do this rubber. It's a rubber part. You can see it. It's not plastic, it's a rubber part. Rubber. So we're gonna do this one. We got like a loud knock on it. Now we're gonna start stripping. Okay, the unit is open. There can everybody see. So this is the motor unit itself. It's got teeth on this one, and it's got teeth on this one. The rubber is completely worn. So that's why we're gonna replace it with this one. Completely gone. So this one's gonna go in this wall, and there's the finish one, completely worn. Okay, so we're gonna clean it up and put the new rubber. So we're gonna take out this one. There we go. Out with the completely gone. So you can clean this one up, and then we're done. Okay, we got it cleaned, and now we're gonna fit the rubber. Very nice. Okay, done. Now to put it back. There you can see that way back bolt. Okay. Now for the reinstalling. Okay, the first part is inside. You can see the one. Let's move there you can see it. That one's stubborn. There's one stubborn bolt. Way behind this bracket. This bracket is welded, so you can't take it out. There you can see it, welded. So we're only gonna tighten that. We're only gonna tighten that bolt and put all the stuff back. Okay, almost done. See, I'm going through here, through there with a swivel to that bolt to tighten it. You can tighten it with a spanner. Let's see. Here we go. Very nice. Okay, the bolt is tightened. One on this side, one on this side, and the one bolt will be at the back. Now I need to put back all the pluggies and the boxes and the screws and the panels. And the steering wheel and the airbags. Then we done. Okay, all the electricals plugged back in. All the stuff is nice and tight. Now I need to put back the panels and the steering wheel and the airbag. Okay, now we only got the steering wheel and the airbag. Then we're done. Quick test. Noise has gone. Okay, airbag is back inside. There we can see it. Airbag unit, and the other one is the router. Then you're gonna slide it back inside. That pins. Then it pops back inside. Put it and slide. That's it. Back inside. And we're all